Hello students, welcome back in your maths class. I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back. Assignment 1 was given to you of chapter 5 fractions. Have you done? If you have done, then you have to check your answers, and if you have not done, then first you will do, after that you will check your answers. Start checking your answer. Your first question was, write improper fractions into mixed fractions. 40 upon 7. When you have divided 40 with 7, then you got quotient 5, remainder 5 and divisor 7. So it is 5 by 7. Now I have not shown division here. If you are doing division in rough column, that is okay. But if the question is coming in the form of MCQs or in the form of fill-ups, then you have to fill the answer only in the fill-up, and if it is in the MCQ, then you have to search the answer and then you will pick the correct option. Okay. B part, 70 upon 9. So 70 will be divided by 9. Then you will get quotient 7, remainder 7 and divisor is 9. So your answer will become 7 whole 7 upon 9. Second question, reduce in the lowest term 85 upon 102. So you know that 85 and 102 both are coming in the table of 17. So you will divide it with 17, or you can do cancellation also. After dividing it with 17, you will get your answer 5 upon 6, because 17 5s are 85, 17 6 are 102. And now question number 3 was there in your assignment, filling the blanks. 4 upon 5 dash 16 upon 30. In this dash you have to put greater or less sign. So see here, 16 upon 30. Both are divisible by 2. So we have done division with 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. So now here it is 4 upon 15 and 8 upon 15. Numerator is 4 and here 8. Denominators are same. So 8 upon 15 is greater. Okay. So 4 upon 5 is less than 8 upon 15. B part, dash upon 40 is equal to 5 upon 8. 40 divided by 8. You will get your answer 5. Means 40 divided by 5 will give you the answer 8. Then what number will be written? Which one divided by 5 will give you the answer 5? Then that number is 25. Next part is 3 upon 5 plus 7 upon 5. 3 plus 7, 10 upon 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So your answer is 2. Then next part is here, 17 upon 4 minus 9 upon 4. Like fractions are there. So 17 minus 9, 8. 8 upon 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So your answer is 2. So if you are getting the question like 17 upon 4 minus 9 upon 4 is equal to dash, then you have to write down the answer 2 in the fill up, not 8 upon 4. Okay. 8 upon 4 हमारा answer नहीं है. 8 upon 4 is then after cancellation with 4. After cancellation with 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So cancellation with 4 we get the answer 2. So when you are writing the answer in fill up or when you are putting the tick mark, then it should be the answer which you have got after doing all the cancellations, all the additions, subtractions. Okay. That will be your answer. Final. ये नहीं कि आपको ऑप्शन में 8 upon 4 भी मिलेगा एंड ऑप्शन में 2 भी मिलेगा तो आप 8 upon 4 को टिक कर देंगे. नो, यू हैव टू टिक 2 ओनली. नेक्स्ट इज 9 upon 5 of 15. Of means multiply. So 9 upon 5 multiply by 15. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. So 9 3s are 27. 1 1s are 1. So 27 upon 1, 27 will be here. Then next part is here, F part. Part of a whole is equal to dash. You know that part of the whole. एक whole का एक part अगर आप ले रहे हैं, that is known as fraction. It is a definition of fraction. Fraction is the part of the whole. Then next question is a fourth question. Solve. 14 whole 3 by 19 multiply by 4. 19 multiply by 14 plus 3. will give you 269 upon 19 will be there. Multiply by 4. So 269 multiplied by 4 is equal to 1076 upon 19. Now it is improper fraction. So you will do division. 1076 divided by 19. 19 5s are 95. Then 7 minus 5 2. 10 minus 9 1. Now you will take 6. 19 6 are 114. 6 minus 4 2. 2 minus 1 1. So your fraction has become now mixed fraction 56 whole 12 upon 19. So if you are getting this type of question, solve and then find the answer or fill up is there, then you will, if it is a fill up, then you will write only in the fill up 56 whole 12 upon 19. Remaining calculations you will do, but you will do it in rough column. यानी कि एक ही फिलअप में आप ये सारे आंसर्स भरते जाएंगे. डू केयरफुली. नेक्स्ट इज 5 upon 7 divided by 10 upon 21. Divide will replace into multiply and 10 upon 21. We will take reciprocal. It will become 21 upon 10. Now 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. After cancellation, 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2. We have now 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 is an improper fraction. So 3 will be divided by 2 and we will get mixed fraction, that is 1 whole 1 upon 2. C part is here 39 upon 17 divided by 39 upon 17. When the fraction is divided by itself, answer is 1. D part 4 whole 2 upon 3 divided by 5 upon 6. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 upon 3 multiply by, division is replaced into multiplication. So multiply by 6 upon 5. We will take reciprocal. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. No more cutting is there. 14 twos are 28. 1 5s are 5. 28 divided by 5 will give you the answer 5 whole 3 upon 5. Question number 5. Arrange in the descending order. 6 upon 7, comma 3 upon 7, comma 1 upon 7, comma 4 upon 7. Descending order means we have to arrange from bigger to smaller. So these all are like fractions. Denominator is 7, 7, 7, 7. So these are like fractions. When denominators are same, we will see the numerators. Greater numerator will give you the greater fraction. So check the numerators. 6, 3, 1, 4. So greater numerator is 6. Then next is 4. Next is 3. And at last there is 1. So descending order is 6 upon 7 is greater than 4 upon 7. 4 upon 7 is greater than 3 upon 7. 3 upon 7 is greater than 1 upon 7. Right? Question number 6. Additive identity is 0 and multiplicative identity is 1. Additive identity and multiplicative identity. Understand these terms better. Additive identity is that numerical value which we are going to add in a number will give us the number itself in the answer. There is no change in the number. Like, see this example, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. The number is 5. We are adding 0 here and we are getting again in answer the same number. Means there is no change in our number. So here 0 is the additive identity. Similarly, multiplicative identity is 1. When we are multiplying this multiplicative identity with any number, we will get the number itself in the answer. See this example, 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. Here 1 is the multiplicative identity. When we are multiplying 5 with 1, we are getting 5 only. Understood? Thank you. If corrections are needed, you will do. And today's your homework is do assignment number 2. Then assignment 2 is here. Question number 1, MCQs. First part, 3 by 5 of a number is 15. Then the number is dash. You have to tick the correct option. 43 divided by 43 is equal to dash. Multiplicative inverse of 0 is dash. 4 into 2 upon 3 is equal to dash. Next is 0 divided by 4 upon 9 is equal to dash. You have to select the correct option. Second question, write two equivalent fractions of 3 upon 7. You have to write down two equivalent fractions of this given fraction 3 upon 7. Then next question is question number 3. Listen carefully. Out of 150 students of a class, 1/3 opted for Sanskrit, 2/5 for Hindi and rest for French. Find how many opted for French. Opt means choose or select. एक क्लास में 150 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो इन स्टूडेंट में से 1/3 ने संस्कृत को चूज किया, 2/5 ने हिंदी को चूज किया एंड रेस्ट मीन्स बचे हुए ने फ्रेंच लिया. देन हाउ मेनी ऑप्टेड फॉर फ्रेंच. कितने स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने फ्रेंच चूज किया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स इज हियर. 1/7 मल्टीप्लाई डैश इज इक्वल टू 0. 1/7 multiplied dash is equal to 1. Reciprocal of 31 is dash. D part is here. Look it very carefully. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 is equal to dash into 1/3. Do carefully. And last question of your assignment. Parul made cake for 12 people. When they shared equally, each of them got 1/2 of the cake. How many cakes did Parul make? पारुल ने 12 पीपल के लिए केक बनाया और सबको कितना कितना शेयर मिला? 1/2 ऑफ द केक. हर केक का मीन्स 12 पीपल के लिए बनाया तो केक का हाफ पार्ट मिला. ओके, इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ. हाउ मैनी केक्स डिड पारुल मेक. तो पारुल ने 12 पीपल के लिए 12 लोगों के लिए कितने केक बनाए. दिस इज योर लास्ट क्वेश्चन. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे.